Hello, I'm Will Hedden and these are your morning market headlines from IG Insight. It's Thursday the 17th of January and the FTSE's flat once again, 61.03. Perhaps a surprise that we aren't seeing the market move lower given the first of our big corporate stories today. Rio Tinto down 3.5%, a $14 billion impairment charge in relation to their Mozambique coal business, a bad acquisition for them over the last few years, seeing the CEO leaving today and a number of management changes, a big face-saving operation very much underway at Rio Tinto. Now moving on to the retail sector, we've got quite a few reporters today. We see ASOS showing that the online business is very much alive and well. They're up 2% today. Associated British Foods up 4.5%. Primark, one of their businesses, showing great Christmas performance. And home retail, the pick of the bunch, up 13% thanks to a stronger performance from Argos. Now also we see some of the flow from the demise of Comet towards Argos and also towards Dixon's, whose stock actually not quite benefiting as much as some of the other firms today. They're down 2%. Now there are quite a few other reporters today in the UK, including an African Barrick Gold and Premier Oil, so do look out for those. Now in Europe we've been watching the FX markets. We see the euro at 133.20 against the dollar and euro Swiss at 124.40 now, its highest for well over a year. Less pressure on the euro scene as the IMF backs the Greek latest Greek bailout tranche, and Christine Lagarde sees progress there. Now in the US we saw the release of the Federal Reserve's Beige Book last night, the various Federal Reserves of America highlighting that growth is present in the US economy, albeit very slow growth. We saw banks beating expectations yesterday. Goldman Sachs and JP Morgan were the two reporters there. Today we get Citigroup and Bank of America before the market open, and we're seeing a US opening call of around 30 points to the downside on the Dow, 134.82, after the Dow did in fact close down yesterday against positive moves in the rest of the US markets, thanks to a negative move from Boeing as many of its Dreamliner aircraft continue to be grounded. That's it from me. Do check out Insight for further news and analysis.